Okay, so hello everyone. Shall we start, Delna? I can start with a storytelling and then we can talk about the main stuff.
Yes.
So, speech therapy. So, first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Charu, co-founder BNC Miracle Method. So we both created a healing therapy and we practice that, which is copyrighted under our name. It's called BNC Miracle Method. But today we are here to talk about seed therapy. And how I got introduced to seed therapy was in a very interesting way. Uh, Basically, couple of years, or actually more than that, almost 4 years back, I was diagnosed with hypertension. I had high blood pressure, and I was in India at that time. I went to the doctor, and he said that, oh, you need to take a pill because obviously he was our family doctor, and he told me that both from your father and mother's side you have hypertension. So it's genetic hypertension. Yeah, you got it as a gift from your parents. So now you take this pill. So I said, okay. I started taking one pill every day. Blood pressure went down. Then after 6 months, again I was in India only, and again I felt the same symptoms. So I went to the doctor again, and he said, "Oh, your blood pressure has gone up. It is genetic hypertension. Both your parents have it. Now you take two pills." So I said, "Oh, really?" I did some healing work on myself with the therapy that I know, but it didn't happen. And actually, by the time the doctor had also implanted its genetic hypertension, it cannot be cured. It's there. You are bound to have it. So nothing worked. So I within 6 months from one tablet, I started two tablets every day, and then the blood pressure. Then it struck to me that like this, and my blood pressure, if I missed one tablet, would shoot up like zoop zoop zoop. I don't want to scare you with the figures. So then I thought, yeah, what is this? My freedom is gone because when I'm traveling, I have to be very watchful. Like one time I was traveling and I thought, what if this medicine gets, my suitcase gets misplaced? So then I'm keeping medicine in my hand baggage. And that's where I realized my freedom is gone. I can't survive without these pills. But anyway, there was no answer at that time. And but then I intended, I was desperately looking for a solution for my hypertension. And that was the year we went to Isha for Guru Purnima, Sadhguru's program. And there I met a South Indian in that trip. And he was a healer. And I asked him about, and I told him, can you heal hypertension? We were just exchanging notes. And we had he had this South Indian accent, and some language barrier was there. Not that much, but still his accent was little different. And he told me, yes, yes, nah, you can heal now. I said, I can heal my hypertension. How? So he talked about it. He introduced me to seed therapy. So I said, okay, but with our method, somehow when we do, we always try to find out how long for the result to show up. So I asked him, no, you tell me with this seed, how fast can you heal my hypertension? And again, he was very calm, different type of a man. Again, in his South Indian accent, he told me, 3 days now, 3 days. So what he meant was 3 to 4 days. So I thought, I'm not getting him right. 3 days to heal hypertension can't be I cannot even think of that. So I said, what are you talking, can you tell me exactly, like, you do now. And we did some experiment. He did press some of my points, and I screamed when he pressed something on my hand. And so I figured out that there's something wrong in our communication, but he told me to use one pepper on a point. And I kept asking how long, blah blah, and he said, do it for 3-4 days now, do it for 3-4 days now. And I could not believe it. Anyway, that trip, we were in a program. The moment I came back to Dubai, I just applied one pepper for three. Actually, I saw the result very second day only when I did that seed therapy on me for 2 days, and my blood pressure went towards little lower side because I didn't stop any medication, but it did go a little down. So I figured out that there is some substance in that. And then I continued for almost, I did it for 7 days. And then the way it is supposed to be done, I did it. and my blood pressure came into balance. And then actually, because I am from healing fraternity, I monitored my blood pressure 3 to 4 times every day, and I start chopping down the pills. And I can tell you today, I am without pills. My hypertension is absolutely balanced, and it's all good for me. So that's my story, and that's how I got. Then I went left, right, and center. I learned this from him, from other people. I sorted it out in more explainable, more understanding way, and then I started teaching it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that was my experience, and I thought it is so simple that our mind cannot comprehend that something so simple can do big things like hypertension. Who can think that it can get healed by
Course.
just one black pepper? I could not believe, I could not comprehend at that time. But yes, and we have many more stories to share with you all. And it's easy peasy technique, and it's homemade. So yes, we encourage everybody now for this. So shall we put the presentation?